So the first Bitcoin mining app on our list is the Pi Network. The URL of the website is minepi.com. Pi Network is the most popular Bitcoin mining app out there, and people earning over $900 from these today. Pi Network lets you mine its own native Pi cryptocurrency right from your phone. It is available both for Android and iOS devices. Now the good thing is that the Pi Network company claims that this app doesn't drain your battery too much, like the other Bitcoin mining apps, because the Pi Network app was designed specifically for phone mining. Their app has over 50 million downloads. It is by far the most popular crypto earnings app. Now to start mining Bitcoin, you just have to sign up with a Pi invite code, and you can find this all over Reddit or the internet. So once you install the app to your device and sign up to it, you can just let it run in the background so it can start mining the cryptocurrency for you completely passively. At the time I am creating this video, one Pi currency is equal to $37. Once you mine your Pi currency, you can use an exchange like Bitmart to trade your Pi currency for Bitcoin. They have a super popular and active Reddit community where you can discuss and find solutions to any problem you face. Pi Network is available worldwide, and you can use it from any. Now the second Bitcoin mining app on our list is the Coin app. The URL is coinapp.co. So the Coin app is a passive income app that lets you earn crypto rewards for exploring your area, answering surveys, and sharing your data. And you can cash out your earnings for popular cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. Coin app is also available for both Android and iOS devices, so you can use it on any smartphone. The Coin app lets you earn a small amount of coin, the app's native token, just for exploring your city and geomining on complete passive income. You can also earn additional coins with some more active offers like visiting certain stores in your city, etc. And the good thing is that you can convert their coin tokens into any cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, etc. Like this video if you are got some value so far. Now before I show you one of the best Bitcoin mining apps, I would like to introduce our sponsors of this video, Twisted Ropes 3D Tangle Master. It is a play-to-earn games app where you can play this game to earn money online. I will leave a link to this app in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can download the app to your smartphone and just open it. When you open the Twisted Ropes game for the first time, it will ask you to enter the bonus code. You can enter the free money bonus code, just like you are seeing on your screen, to get 40,000 coins credited to your account for completely free. Now in this game, we will be shown some twisted ropes that we have to solve to earn coins, which we can later convert into real money. So just click on the play button to start playing the first level of this game. As you can see, we have the two ropes that we have to solve like this, you are seeing on your screen. And that's it. We completed this level and got credited with 1 coin in our account and with a key, which is the most important thing. Now just click on continue to play the second level of the game. Now you can see that we are on the second level of this game and we have 6 steps to complete this level of the game. So just start by placing the ropes on different hubs, and you will notice that every time you change the ropes, the number of steps reduces. So make sure you use every step carefully. And as you can see, we completed the second level also. Just like this, you will be able to complete the third level of this game and the fourth level of this game. Now let me show you how to complete the 5th level of this game, because we have only 8 steps to complete this level. The violet rope is on the top, then there is a yellow rope, and then there is a green rope. So to solve these twisted ropes, we first need to place the yellow ropes right here and place the green rope just next to it. Then just place the violet rope on the second hub and the yellow rope on the first hub. After that, just place the green rope right here and boom. We completed the 5th level of the game also. So just click on continue and you will be shown some ads like this, which just like this, you can complete all the levels of this game. So I have only 40,000 coins in my account. Now the most important thing is this key. I have just one key right here, which I can use to open the case right here. So just click on it and you can see that to get the reward you just need to click on this open button. As you can see, I have been credited with over 1,000 more coins for just opening this case, and the next case will be available in just 30 seconds. But for this, we need some more keys. So let's play the 6th level of the game and complete it. And as you can see, we just received 2 keys and 1 coin for completing this level. Now the bonus tip to complete the levels fast and earn the most amount of money is to use these boosters on the bottom of your screen. So starting with the first booster to cut the ropes, just click on it, watch an ad, and the booster will be available for you to use. So now if you click on this cut booster again, it will highlight all the ropes in your level, and you can click on any rope to cut it. So for example, if I want to cut the pink rope from here, I will just click on the cut booster, and I will just click on the pink rope hub. And as you can see, the pink rope just disappeared from our level. Now the good thing about these boosters is that if you watch the ad for one booster, you will be able to apply all the boosters for one time each. So now I can even use the add steps booster, and as you can see, the steps for this level has increased to 24 steps to complete this level. Just like this, I can even even use this add hub booster to add another hub to the level just like this. So these boosters makes our level very easy to complete and earn money a lot faster. And for every level you complete, sometimes you will earn some keys, which you will use to open the cases so that you can even earn more money faster from this app. So just click on the case and press open button, watch an ad, and boom, you can see that I have reached over 50,000 coins by just opening these cases with the keys. So it is also one of the best ways to make money online. And now to earn even more money, what you can do is to click on this home icon from the left and come over to the homepage of Twisted Ropes. And here click on the gift icon right there, and that's going to show you that you can earn $2 for a TikTok video and for a YouTube Shorts. So just open any one of them. Let's say we open the YouTube Shorts option from there. It will take you to this page where you find the box to paste the URL of a Shorts video. You can find some tags here, which you can copy by pressing this button. And here you can read the rules for receiving $2 for each YouTube Shorts. So just click on it. And you can read the rules that say you should create 20 to 40 seconds of video. The video should show how to find the game, how to play it, how to earn money with it, and the different ways to withdraw money from the Twisted Ropes game. Copy the tags from here and paste them into your YouTube Shorts video. You can show the bonus code Y bonuses on the video, and boom, you will be credited with the $2 in your account on Twisted Ropes. And just like this, you can create a video for TikTok showing how to use the Twisted Ropes gaming app to make money online, and you will be credited with $2 more in your account. The more videos you post, the more money you will receive. But keep in mind that you will earn a maximum of $12 for creating and posting videos on both TikTok and YouTube. So now you can see here that we need to earn over 200 coins for withdrawing $5 from this app. So let me earn some coins here so that I can share with you my withdrawal proof from this app. As you can see, I have earned over 400,000 coins in my account by playing different levels of this game, which I can withdraw by clicking this gift card icon over here. So I can withdraw $5 for my 200,000 coins, and I can withdraw the same to the PayPal account, Payeer account, to Gcash, Mono account, or directly to my USDT cryptocurrency. You can choose any payment method you like, but I like PayPal the most, so I am going with it. Now on this page, we just need to enter the phone number registered with our PayPal and our PayPal email ID, and just press the submit button right here. So as you can see, I have successfully submitted my details, and now we just need to wait for 2 to 10 days to receive the payment to our PayPal account. So let's wait for it. And as you can see, I have received $5 from the Twisted Ropes game partner in my PayPal account. So this is one of the best play to earn games apps. Once again, I will leave a link to this app in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can install it from there and start to make money online from today itself. Now the third way to Bitcoin mining is to use an extension for your PC device called the cryptotab browser. The URL is cryptotabbrowser.site. Cryptotab is a browser that you can use on your PC device or on your phone device. Cryptotab has over 35 million users all around the world, and it provides a simple way to earn Bitcoin passively by just surfing the web. So once you install this extension to your device, it just runs in the background and helps you slowly mine Bitcoins passively from your devices. Now the good thing is that you just need to earn about 50 cents to take your first withdrawal from Cryptotab, which you can take in the form of Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. Now the fourth Bitcoin mining app on our list is the cointiply app. I have already covered this app on the Cash Pro channel multiple times because cointiply is a get paid to website that helps you to withdraw your earnings in the form of different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, LTC, etc. But the thing I never mentioned in those videos is that cointiply actually has the Bitcoin faucet, where you can earn a small amounts of a Bitcoin every hour. So you basically spin a random number generator every hour and it rolls a certain number, and then you get a small amounts of Bitcoin depending on what your roll is. Now the fifth app that you can use to earn a Bitcoin is the Freecash app. This isn't exactly like a mining website, but Freecash is one of the best get paid to websites where you can get a free Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. Here you can complete different surveys, install different apps, and play different games to earn money, which you can later use to exchange for Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency you want. As you can see, I have over $60 in my earnings on Freecash, and many subscribers from our Cash Pro channel have already earned over $200 from United States, India, the Philippines, and many different countries around the world. Now, if you want me to show my withdrawal proof of these earnings, then help me get over 4,000 likes on this video. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.